Yo, come on Falmouth. Zane, Falmouth, KFC, this look on the whole I staff them one place. Watch out. Whole I staff them one bumbo.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yo, come on Falmouth. Zane, Falmouth, KFC, this look on the whole I staff them one place. Watch out. Whole I staff them one bumbo clap. This look on this a singer why people them serve. Watch out. And see a zinger this. Look pan singer. Look pan this a zinger ya. This is a zinger. Falmouth. KFC this ya. Zane, look pan the whole I staff them. Watch it.
Not to mention how they rude out.
Not to mention how they rude and out there to them and no manners to the customer them. Get me? You talk to them and them a turn them back. Cashier a walk away. I worst KFC this in Jamaica. Why supervisor? We need to talk to his supervisor. Why supervisor? I need to talk to the supervisor because I not eat this as you know. What supervisor? Come on to come talk to you because I not eat this here. Because I not behavior in us, I not behavior. Look at me singing with this player. How much money?
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. First of all, blessings and big up my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I me say, attack, attack, attack. Some people, this a KFC done a Falmouth, Trelawny, Jamaica. And honestly, my people, me happy to see that video, you know. Me I tell us I'm happy to see that video because people, me have my experience at this KFC last year. No joke about it, my people. In this year with the 2025, so in the last year, 2024, September, my people, me have my experience there, and me I tell my people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. First of all, let me say this. Workers at KFC, Falmouth, Trelawny, Jamaica. Remember, see, you see them same customer here? Without them come eat KFC from Uni, you know. Uni na no job, you know. Remember that. The same local people them who no see a come buy on no KFC and any KFC at all. Respect them. You see me? Because my experience at this KFC, my people, I was coming from the airport that I'm going to be, right? So, when I reach out there, so I say, you know, I'm going to go through Falmouth town because I want to taste some KFC. Man, this a touchdown, my people. I stand up at the airport all long I wait for one bridge and he never reach. So I say, you know what? Let me just take feed and just go down and say, yeah, man, and stop and stay some people. From I wait for fast food, me I tell you the truth, are the longest me ever wait for a piece of KFC chicken. Me stand up in that line for more than an hour. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. Me say for more than an hour. And it seem like the worker them not care, they no business the way them a move. Just like how this brethren say. Same thing, my people. One person in front of you like 20-30 minutes out can't move. More than an hour. You understand? And just because I say, you know what, man, they did well want the KFC, man. Honestly, my viewers, you need to do better. Management, supervisors, you need to do better. And when them say, you don't know manners, you don't know if you talk to people. Listen, I never see that experience because I never try to talk to them. Some people that get upset pertaining, but I never see the argument develop in there at the time while I was there. But what I want to say to you, have respect for the people. If you don't know the manners, have respect, and customer have respect for workers too. Same way, you understand? We are one. But what me I say, why me I go tell you this? Some of these customers, we not deal with all type of people. We don't know who not deal with. And maybe we not going to be disrespectful to the wrong person. And there can be something else which we not want. Some of these I say, we have to be careful. Remember, you know, when you depot on a job on a 9 to 5, when you not finish 9 to 5, no for you not go take taxi, which most of you not go take taxi. You understand? You not go in at the town, go look a ride. And them same people who may be rude to or be disrespectful to. You understand? You not go back up in them and then things can go the other way, which we not want, we not say it for happen. But I'm just telling you to how the rate of how Jamaica is running right now. Management now and supervisors them now. Most of them are drive. But the local line staff them what they say now. Honestly, most of them not drive. You see me? So what me I say is, you have to just be careful. Be careful on the street. You know, on the job, you not do. Have manners and respect. So if you not do, with the lame thing. You understand? Because that the zinger there, you know. That the zinger look like clinger. You understand? That a can't zinger, a clinger that. Me not, that where that Emerging was saying zinger so expensive, a clinger that. What is that? That never can pass through the first stripe. Much less reach under the belly bottom. That can't pass even the throat. What is that? That can't stop hungry. That never can make only thing that do go feed toward the worm them. Me I tell you the truth. That no can't do nothing. So management or whoever on operation only need to do better. You understand? For sure, let me tell you this, sir. For Jamaica KFC, things good for you know, because honestly people, we know it's a Jamaica KFC, basically them say are the best KFC in the world, are one of the best. And me travel a lot of places people around the world, and honestly, Jamaica KFC is the best. And not because I'm a Jamaican, me a talk short. You understand? Them KFC is the best. When I go even go in America, but people, for them KFC is nothing. Because KFC is not the biggest chicken franchise in America. No. Papa is way bigger than them, way better than them. You know what I mean? But in a Jamaica, but people, KFC are lead. We not joke about that. So what me I telling you is that we don't have to keep up on a standard. You know what I mean? Customer service is really important. And no matter because we not go say, I look a local man, and him look certain way, and him look a piece of shirt, and him look a piece of shoes. Come here, deal with them good same way. You understand? Because you don't know who is who. You know what I mean? Let us we have this stinger. To deal with own people them certain type of way. We deal with them kind of bad or kind of rough. And when we see a different type of man come like a foreigner now, it's a different vibe when I give them. It is not right. You understand? No matter who are customer from overseas or local, we are all one customer. But the next thing to us, me I say, customer, remember, respect the workers them too. Understand so we are one. You understand? Respect them too. Because sometimes, you know, when I see them be a certain way, them have higher superior who need to get these things fixed. You understand? And because we just stay upon one level and, you know what I mean, them superior ain't doing nothing about them. You know what I mean? Sometimes them say them have lack of resources and materials to make things go faster. I don't know if them fall. Sometimes they do say that. You understand? So management and superior, if you don't know, say you not at fault for these things to make the pace of things and operation is so slow. Make you have to wait for over hour if you want 2 or 3 pieces of chicken. Come on, that is totally wrong. You understand? You need to get that thing fixed right now, ASAP. So Falmouth, KFC, Trelawny, Jamaica, me attacking boss, me have my experience there, and it wasn't a great one, it wasn't a good one, and honestly, me would never stand up this up a 2 pieces of chicken already. I've been other KFC in a C0RRVPTION, you understand, in other places in Jamaica, in a Portland, and it was way faster. It was way faster. So I still want to know why this one done a Falmouth Trelawny Afimoso. Something not right there, man. Something need to fix up. Something need to check up. You understand? So, because if we not do this thing, my people, and put these things out there, now, things are going to continue the same way. And the operation is going to be dirty. So this is just help. Oh no. You understand? To get on the things sort out and get on the things fix up. You see me? Fix it up. Fix it up, man. Check it up and get it right up. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And things will be good and things will be great. So, my people, big up on yourself. You don't know, see the attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and a one team, one dream, one scheme, and plus please remember to do like the video, my people, comment and do share and do subscribe, and follow my people on TikTok and all social media platform, Instagram. You don't know, say we're upon Facebook, NEWLINK Production. You know, so we're upon X, Snapchat, everywhere and there, my people. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. People, me want to do subscribe to the channel because a lot of you now watch the video them. You now subscribe, you know. You understand? Please do subscribe. So KFC, Falmouth Trelawny, Jamaica, fix up on a thing, fix up on a business. Remember the attacking boss are telling that. Get it fixed up now. No.